Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've installed Vidiq and signed into YouTube. Now begin by picking a seed topic. Type 1 focused phrase into the keyword inspector and hit search. Immediately scan the overall score, search volume, competition, and trend line. These 4 metrics tell you whether to pursue the idea. Once done, add promising keywords to a list and enable competitor tracking so you can compare similar videos. Make sure to set the region and language to match your audience before moving to deeper analysis. Now expand the list using related queries and the keyword suggestion tab. You want 8 15-strong candidates. Sort by keyword score to prioritize low competition, decent volume terms, and apply filters for timeframe and region. Then cross-check competitor tags and top-performing videos to spot wording differences and long-tail opportunities. As you refine clusters, create distinct intent groups, informational how-to, and transactional, so each video targets a single intent. Choose one primary keyword for the title and early hook, then place 2 to 3 secondary keywords in the description and tags. That alignment signals relevance to YouTube. Once uploaded, monitor Vidiq's rank tracker and audience retention metrics for the first 2 weeks. If growth stalls, reassess competition scores, test alternate phrasing or long-tail variants, and refresh the thumbnail or first 15 seconds. One key troubleshooting tip. If search volume is high, but views are low, lower competition phrasing often wins. Try splitting into 2 focused videos.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.